In today's modern world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins, whether from processed foods, air pollution, household chemicals, or even stress. The term detox has become a buzzword, often associated with extreme juice cleanses, fasting, or expensive supplements that promise miraculous results. However, many of these methods can be ineffective or even harmful, depriving the body of essential nutrients and slowing down natural detoxification processes. But what if we told you that your body is already equipped with a highly sophisticated detox system? Your liver, kidneys, lungs, and even your skin work around the clock to filter out waste and keep you in balance. The key to effective detoxing isn't about forcing your body into a state of deprivation. It's about supporting its natural ability to cleanse itself. So, how can you detox safely and effectively? Let's explore science-backed methods that enhance your body's ability to eliminate toxins while keeping you feeling energized, refreshed, and healthy. Method 1. Nourish your body with a clean, whole foods diet. The saying "you are what you eat" couldn't be more true when it comes to detoxification. The foods we consume either help our bodies eliminate toxins efficiently or overload our system with even more harmful substances. The first step to a safe and effective detox is to fuel yourself with the right nutrients. Hydration, your first line of detox defense. Water is the most underrated yet powerful detox tool. It helps flush toxins through urine, sweat, and bowel movements while keeping your organs functioning optimally. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It not only hydrates but also stimulates digestion and supports liver function. Herbal teas, such as dandelion or ginger tea, can further aid detoxification by supporting the liver and digestion. Load up on fiber to sweep out toxins. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system, helping to bind and remove toxins from the body. Foods like leafy greens, berries, chia seeds, flax seeds, and whole grains promote healthy bowel movements and prevent toxins from being reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Eat more liver-friendly foods. The liver is your body's main detox powerhouse, and certain foods can enhance its ability to break down and remove toxins. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, contain compounds that boost liver detox enzymes. Garlic and onions support the liver's ability to eliminate heavy metals. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces liver inflammation and enhances detoxification. Eliminate processed foods and toxins from your diet. Processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives put extra strain on your liver and contribute to toxin buildup. Instead, choose organic, whole foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to naturally support detoxification. Method 2. Support your liver and kidneys, your body's built-in detox system. Your liver and kidneys work 24/7 to remove harmful substances, but they need proper care to function optimally. Reduce alcohol and caffeine intake. Excess alcohol burdens the liver, while too much caffeine can dehydrate the kidneys. Swap coffee for green tea, which provides antioxidants while still giving you a gentle energy boost. Eat beets and leafy greens. Beets help increase bile production, which assists in breaking down fats and flushing toxins. Leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and promotes detoxification. Drink enough water. The kidneys need plenty of fluids to effectively filter out waste and toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding slices of cucumber or mint for an extra cleansing effect. Method 3. Move your body to activate detoxification. Exercise isn't just for weight loss. It plays a crucial role in detoxification. When you move, your body increases circulation, oxygen supply, and lymphatic drainage, all of which help eliminate toxins. Sweat it out. Sweating is one of the most effective ways to release toxins. Engage in activities like jogging, hot yoga, cycling, or even spending time in a sauna to help your body naturally expel harmful substances. Try yoga and stretching. Certain yoga poses, such as twists and forward bends, help stimulate digestion and encourage detoxification by massaging internal organs. Rebounding for lymphatic drainage. Jumping on a trampoline or doing light bouncing movements can stimulate the lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from cells. Method 4. Prioritize sleep and manage stress for deep detoxification. Did you know that while you sleep, your brain undergoes its own detox process? The lymphatic system flushes out toxins that accumulate throughout the day, including harmful proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Poor sleep can lead to toxin buildup, increased inflammation, and weakened immunity. Establish a bedtime routine that includes dimming the lights, avoiding screens before bed, and drinking calming teas like chamomile or valerian root. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Stress leads to increased cortisol levels, which can disrupt digestion and slow down detoxification. Deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress and enhance the body's ability to cleanse itself. Limit exposure to blue light. Blue light from screens interferes with melatonin production, making it harder for your body to enter a deep detoxifying sleep. Try using blue light filters or switching to warm lighting in the evening. Method 5. Reduce exposure to environmental toxins. While we can't eliminate toxins from our surroundings entirely, we can make conscious choices to minimize our exposure. Switch to natural skincare and cleaning products. Many commercial beauty and cleaning products contain harmful chemicals that are absorbed into the skin and lungs. Opt for natural alternatives with minimal ingredients. Filter your water and air. Tap water can contain heavy metals and chemicals like chlorine or fluoride. Investing in a good water filter ensures you're drinking clean, toxin-free water. Likewise, using an air purifier can help remove pollutants from indoor air. Avoid plastics and processed packaging. Plastics contain endocrine-disrupting chemicals like BPA, which can interfere with hormone balance. Store food in glass containers and avoid heating plastic in the microwave. Spend time in nature. Walking in fresh air, especially near forests or oceans, helps oxygenate your blood and remove toxins through deep breathing. Conclusion: detoxing doesn't have to be extreme, restrictive, or expensive. True detoxification happens when we work with our bodies, not against them. By nourishing yourself with whole foods, supporting your natural detox organs, moving regularly, prioritizing rest, and reducing environmental toxin exposure, you create a sustainable and long-term detox lifestyle. Instead of searching for a quick fix, embrace these habits and trust in your body's ability to heal and renew itself. The goal isn't just to cleanse for a few days. It's to build a foundation for lifelong health, vitality, and well-being. Start today. Make small, consistent changes, and your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.